All the rich people dem wey dem dey talk about na the world, na business people. Stop for blame government about increase in prices of goods and services. Government no get hands by inflation. Government no get control over inflation. Government no get control over increase in prices of goods and services. Government no get hands there. Now let me explain. Government don give the sole responsibility to credible institution wey na the central bank. The central bank na dem dey in charge of inflation. Now know say if government now get power, get control over inflation, wetin for don happen? Now government no get hands by inflation, dem no get control over inflation, but yet still na dem dey blame about inflation. Whilst the central bank na dem dey in charge of inflation, wetin dem dey use for control dat inflation dey na interest rate. Now tell me true, wetin producers dem dey do? You dey complain because you don take yourself, you say you comfortable with being na dat team majority, dat consumer, you okay with dat. Now out of dat team everybody was once a consumer and up to dis time they are consuming, but from dat point na there we get investors dem, na there we get entrepreneurs dem, na there we get people dem wey decide say yes we wan produce something. Na there we get people dem, rich people dem, you no get no rich person wey dem dey call wey dem no dey attach product, dem no dey attach service. All the rich people dem wey dem dey talk about na the world, na business people dem, na people dem wey dey do business, but yet still you no focus on business, you forget, you siddon you forget yourself, you dey go first. Focus on business, focus on business. Business no dey fail, na only your strategies dem dey fail, but business no dey fail. Now know say dis central bank na dem dey in charge of dis interest rate, so when investors dem dey go lend money na bank, so the central bank dey lend dem dat money with a very high interest rate. So dem no dey worry. Me na businessman, I no dey worry oo. I no dey worry. When I go na bank, dem go lend me money, dem give me heavy interest rate wey I get for pay. Wetin I dey do? I dey take dat rate dey, you wey don siddon, you say you comfortable for consume normal, na you work, dat interest dey na you dey kampe am. Because when me dey produce my goods, I dey ensure say I dey produce am for profit. Dat dey obvious. So I dey always ensure say dat cost wey dat interest wey the bank dey demand from me, I dey pull am. Me, my profit is sure. I dey always can sell more than wetin I spend. I dey look my tax, I dey include am there, my cost, all wetin I spend for I able produce dat particular good dey, I dey include am there. Tax na I dey include am there, interest rate na I dey include, everything there. Then you can pay, I pull my profit serve. You see how business people dem dey operate? So the government e no get hands at all over inflation. Now if dis government get hands over inflation, know say election don near. Now the government able get control over inflation. Na the simplest tool dat dey wey dem dey use for campaign. Because now let's say bag of rice na 1,000 leaves. So if election don near, now government gets control over inflation, then they put down the prices into 500 leaves. Imagine you dey want for let dat government dey go out, e no easy. So na dat make government move away from dat point there, then wipe dem hands dem from inflation. Because na the simplest tool dat dey wey dem for don use for big full citizen dem. You see? So na im make dem push dem. Now wetin you need for do? You sef change your mindset today. Get something for sell, start business. Na the only way dat dey. When you get business wey you dey run, you get business wey you dey sell, whatever how prices dey increase not for you. Because when I go buy 500 leaves, I no dey cancel 500 leaves. When I go buy 1,000 leaves, I no dey cancel 1,000 leaves. If I go buy 500 leaves, I dey cancel 1,000 leaves. You see how I dey go buy? Me no care about inflation. Prices dey increase or they no increase for me, I no care. When I go buy, how I dey go buy na so I dey determine. I pay transport oo, dat na the transport cost, I dey include am. So you wey don decide say you comfortable with consumption, na you aid, na there dem dey pull all thing. I dey tell you, na you aid, na there dem dey pull everything. I don't want to make this video too long. I did like for stop here. Tell me in the comment section.